WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. We start off 24-hour temperature cast. Got a bunch of numbers near 70 early. Going to see a bunch in the mid-80s later. It all depends on how many showers we get today. I think we can get some more than we had yesterday. And we expect the same kind of setup again for tomorrow. Now here's a look, bigger picture satellite radar composite. We've got one line organized showers, storms from parts of North Texas all the way on up into the Midwest. That's where the next boundary is. That boundary is going to have a real tough time getting this far south and east. And that means we're stuck in this same air mass for another couple of days with very little change to the forecast, starting near 70 and likely topping out in the lower to mid 80s. I think the shower chances will be a little bit elevated for today and for tomorrow. 71 right now in Tallahassee, 70 in Valdosta. We're at 68 in Thomasville. And really looking across the entire region, that's pretty much where all the temperatures are. Apalachicola, the one spot not there, at 75 degrees. So kind of a warm start. We're supposed to be back in the mid 50s at this point during the day, during the year. I don't see a lot of fog just yet, but I think we can develop some patchy fog because there's a little less of a breeze out there this morning. It's still coming in from the east, but maybe a little less noticeable today than we had yesterday. Higher pressure anchored across the southeast is going to be our big weather player again, and probably again tomorrow too. So that's what's helping to prevent this next boundary from getting here. Needs some help in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and while there'll be a little bit of energy up there to help shake a few showers from the clouds, I just don't see this boundary getting the push it needs to get all the way through. So no cool down or no significant weather change coming, not this weekend. Here's Futurecast. Going to show us more of those showers popping up. It's not all the time rain everywhere. We're still talking just scattered showers. I think that's the story for today, and that'll be the story again for tomorrow. Tomorrow, the rain chances might actually be the highest, especially in the afternoon hours. And then as we get to Sunday and Monday, things try to dry out a little bit. I don't see any real significant cooling opportunities until maybe late next week when a new boundary tries to get here. And there's still a lot left to be determined with that. We're talking 5-6 days down the road. Now, out in the Atlantic, we've got Hurricane Epsilon, winds down to 85 miles per hour. It's making that more of a turn to the north, curling away from Bermuda, and it should continue to curl over the open waters of the Atlantic, nowhere near any land areas, maybe someplace up near some of the Canadian Maritimes. But the best kind of tropical systems are the ones that don't interact with a lot of land. We're going to continue to watch that energy in the Caribbean that's been showing some signs of life for maybe the past 24 to 36 hours. We'll see if it can continue to develop over the next 24 to 36 hours. Winds on the Gulf today, east 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. Not a bad setup for the boaters. We're doing the high tides now, and they'll finish it up around lunchtime. I think for most of us, 60s and 70s this morning become low to mid 80s for daytime highs. Hopefully we cap it there. Better chances for scattered showers and more clouds today. We'll put the rain chances around 50 or 60%. Tonight, more warm, more muggy, more cloudy. The showers fizzle in the sunset. 6:57, by the way. Here's that forecast for the next few days. I know we're looking for some fall-like weather. Maybe we can find some by next Thursday. Until then, guys, I'm still stuck on that 86.